Hi, welcome back to another lesson. Today is going to be a very fast and easy lesson because we are doing the absolute classic Let It Be by the Beatles. There's a lot of lessons out there, so I'm not going to waste a lot of time on this. It's 2 sections plus a tagline. The tagline is what you just heard me play there. I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. First, the chords. C, and these are great open chords. It's a piano song, so they're going to sound great as open chords on a guitar. So we go C, and for strumming, do 1 strum on each beat, and it sounds great because it needs to be nice and open and sparse and have a lot of room around the chords. It's all about the vocals, really. So it's C, G, A minor, F, play the F any way you like, there, but we're sticking to simple open chords here. We go on, C, G, F, back to C. Now, each time you go from that last F back to C to finish off that line, you do that little walk down, which is just taking that 3rd fret D string down to the 2nd fret, down to the open string, landing on the C chord, right? So it's if you like, you could go and use the higher notes. They're exactly the same notes, just in the next octave up, and they're easy to reach either way with those open chords. The B section, the other section that you need to know, is the chorus, and that's A minor, G, F, C, all the same chords, different order. Then C, G, F, walk down to C, right? Sometimes it does a full chorus, like twice through that chord progression. Sometimes it's only once through. Watch out for that, it's on your chart. And the only other thing we've got to do, because it just goes from verse to chorus, verse to chorus, verse to chorus. The guitar solo is exactly the same chords as the verse. Then we move into this little tagline. Now, the easiest way to play this tagline that I can figure is to go F, and strum that full F. That high string is the first note in your little tag melody that we're about to play. So make sure you get that note sounding clear. And you go F, lift off to the open string, 3rd fret B string, which is a D note. So you go F, E, D. Then you land on a C chord. Right, so F, E, D, C chord. Then you go 3rd fret on the G string, which would be an A sharp or a B flat, down to an A, land on a G chord, F, and then finish on a C. So all the way through that little tag is this. It's one of the most famous songs in the world. It's beautiful, it's simple. Let It Be by the Beatles. Thanks for watching. See you here again next time.